Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question a raised to the power a which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 6 and b raised to the power a which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 7. So we have to find here a and b. So from this equation which is a raised to the power a which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 6, we have a raised to the power a which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 6 will become 64, and it will become a raised to the power a which is equal to, we can write 64 as 4 into 16, as we know that this exponential rule which is a raised to the power mn is equal to a raised to the power m whole power n. So it will become 2 raised to the power 4 and its whole power 16, and it is equal to a raised to the power a. So from here a raised to the power a is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 is same as 16. So it will become 16 raised to the power 16. Now you can see here something has power itself, and in the right hand side 16 has itself power. So when we will compare, so value of a will be equal to 16. Now we have b raised to the power a which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 7. So it will become b raised to the power a is 16, so it will become 16 which is equal to 2. 2 raised to the power 7 is same as 128. So b raised to the power 16 will be equal to 2 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 16. Now we will take power 1 divided by 16 on both sides to find the value of b. So it will become 16 multiplied by 1 divided by 16, and it will become 2 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 1 divided by 16. So 16 and 16 will be cancelled out. So we have remaining b is equal to 2 raised to the power 8. So from here we have the value of b which is 256. So from these two equations we have a is equal to 16 and b is equal to 256. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.